At least I just reprimand Paulo Cruzada. I'm sorry for my angry. You know, for Paulo Cruzada, you have to quit on playing about Roblox and GTA. You know, your mother did not reprimand you. You're playing about GTA and Roblox. You're being yourself. You're being yourself to be a doctrine by ISIS. Don't you even know Paulo Cruzada? When I when I learned the lesson from Teacher May about the current events, about the Battle of Marawi during the time of Rodrigo Duterte, the ISIS or Islamic State of Iraq and Levant, they are causing troublemakers. They want to kill people. They want to terrorize all over the world. You know, Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, don't be such an ISIS wannabe. You know, I accuse the parents of Paulo Cruzada. Those parents are being themselves abnormal. How would both of you, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, Mr. Marion Cruzada, to lecture your pathetic son? Like I said to you, Mrs. Marion, you didn't even lecture your son. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, if your parents are gone, if your parents died, who will taking care of you? Who will pay the electricity? Who will pay the internet? Paulo Cruzada. No one. You'll be a homeless person, Paulo Cruzada. If, like I said before, everyone, all the friends from CDIFI, they don't really like you. And they call you a terrorist. Even you, Jordan Pilapil. You always to be a doctrine by Paulo Cruzada. You know, Jordan Pilapil, one more doctrine to Paulo Cruzada. I will shoot you a pellet gun, Jordan Pilapulpul. Or Jordan Idiot Abnormal Pilapil. Yeah, I'm just gonna say. You know, Jordan Pilapil, how would you say Paulo Cruzada is quiet? You are Pilapulpul. You know, you know, Jordan Pilapil. And I say again, I know you message to Shania Kiana that you're saying Paulo Cruzada is my classmate when I was in, what's that? Jossams, right? That was a school. I never been in Jossams. You know, Jordan Pilapil, you have to cut ties with Paulo Cruzada. I say again, ilaglag mo na yan, yung tarantadong Paulo Cruzada na yan. Like I said, ilaglag mo yan. You know, he's really notorious. You know, I say before, Jordan Pilapil. I say again, don't you even know that the Teacher May was being a victim of Paulo Cruzada? I say again, like I said before, yang si Paulo Cruzada, inaaway niya si Teacher May. And you don't know what you're talking about. You know, Jordan Pilapil, you just wake up. Wake up. Yeah, I know you're doing it. You didn't wake up. Oh, I've been talk with Lawrence Villawan. I say to him, na-block mo ba si Paulo Cruzada? And he said before, oo naman, na-block ko na si Paulo Cruzada. Pati si Ate Dina Guillermo, na-block ko na din siya. also. But he said to me that those two imbeciles like Paulo Cruzada and Ate Dina Guillermo, they are notorious. They're notorious Marcos loyalists. All Ilocanos are very notorious. Just like I said, Paulo Cruzada, Jordan Pilapil had unfriended you in Facebook. I say to Jordan Pilapil, if you unfriended Paulo Cruzada, ilaglag mo na yan. He's not our friend anymore. He's a criminal. Look at him. He has an arrest warrant from Davao City RTC. It was filed by Joseph Maspinas and also Josh Gozo and Sophia Ahmad Sultan. It's up to the NBI. It's up to the PNP and even CIDG. They will track down Paulo Cruzada. If Paulo Cruzada got arrested, he will be fit on stand on trial in the court. That's what I'm gonna say to you, Paulo Cruzada. Because you didn't attend the stand of fit on trial. Just to know, I've been receive this kind of subpoena from Sophia Ahmad Sultan. I was told by J. Rick. I told to J. Rick, na subpoena ba yan si Paulo Cruzada? He said to me, hindi pa. I hope pagkatapos ang Ramadan, she will file the subpoena. She will file the subpoena to Paulo Cruzada. As she can file the subpoena, and Paulo Cruzada, you will pay for what you have done. The damage that you cause, if your damage have cause of consequences, then you try to harass Teacher May, you harass her, she will never forgive you. Even Sophia Ahmad Sultan, she will never also forgive you. I never forgive Paulo Cruzada for what he has done to Teacher May, because Paulo Cruzada, I say again, look at Teacher May. Teacher May, she's very kind. She is always caring. Ay malasakit yan si Teacher May. I know I implicate that Teacher May is my arch enemy. I apologize to Teacher May. I say to Joannis Impact. I talk to him in TikTok Live. This is my fault that I attacked Teacher May. When I talk to Clarence Barredo, I apologize to Teacher May Tiburcio. I never put Teacher May in my enemy list. She is my former teacher. When I say if Teacher May is my enemy, would you ever say I harass her? I ignore her. It's simple. I move on from her. I ignore her. That all it matters. I don't want to make enemies with Teacher May. I remove her in my enemy list. What about you, Paulo Cruzada? When you mistreating Teacher May as an enemy, if you treat her as an enemy, do you really think that Teacher May is your enemy? And you're saying about you're threatening to hostage at her? Even Lorraine shook. You don't really have to be ashamed of yourself. Like I said, hindi mo ako binigyan ng kahiyaan, Paulo Cruzada. That's why Ronald Rebena had accuses you. Hindi mo kami Di mo ako binigyan ng kahiyaan. That's the word. You should be ashamed of yourself.